So once the admin has updated your profile and allowed you to generate a question paper, you can log in again and now you are clear to set up a paper. Please be mindful that if you have opted for a certificate paper and you click on any of the links here, like B certificate or C certificate, you will be logged out. For example, currently the user Tomar has been cleared to prepare one A certificate paper. So if he clicks on B certificate paper, he gets logged out. So therefore, he has to stick to the kind of paper that he has opted for and paid for. So I log in again and now I will show you an example of how to generate a certificate paper. Generation of the other two papers will follow the same steps. We can start by either clicking here or clicking here. Both the links will work. The entries that you see here are just a confirmation to you as to how the paper is going to be structured. This follows the SNCCO on the subject. So I will now click on a certificate link and I'm brought to a page which gives out to me the layout of the question paper that is going to be there. This is setup paper layout for NCC A certificate exam subject com. The difficulties as per the SNCCO, these are the number of questions. Must know 72, should know 36, could know 12. The software takes care of this distribution automatically. Now we come to the layout. First is WT, total marks allotted 35. There are three chapters. The paper structure that I have made takes four questions from the first chapter, five questions from the second chapter, and five questions from the third chapter. For example, if I were to change this to 4, so I can do that. I've changed it to 4 and I can make it to 6 so that my total remains 240. Otherwise, right now you can see the common subject total is 237 only. So I make it 6. The moment I make it 6, this should become 240 again and this should become 35 again, which is the total marks. Similarly, you can change and make the paper unique to your style or the way the questions, the chapters have been covered for the cadets. Having gone through all the chapters, the topics, and the chapters within that, and the distribution of questions, we can now go to create the paper. So when we click on create, the software will create the paper for you in a jiffy. Directorate is Northeastern Region, group is Guwahati, A certificate examination, Army wing paper. Do not bother because this is common. The heading is for the complete paper. Here, this is changeable. This is also changeable. You can change it. Paper set 1 is getting generated first. Total marks is 350 times 3 hours and the instructions are made out. Paper 1 is drilled, which is only practical. Paper 2 is W2. WT has got 14 MCQs and 35 marks. Each question is 2.5. Here, if I want to change the first question, I can click to change this question. So the moment I click, the question gets changed. Then I have the difficulty. This is just for you to come to know that this is easy. That means this is a should know type of a question. Then these are the options, out of which the answer is answer number 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is the answer. The question is which of the following item is not mentioned in the range preparations water supply. So similarly, we go on, keep scrolling down, and we will find that the next is miscellaneous paper, and then we come to NCC general, and then we have first is four questions, 10 marks. All these are, you can click here to change the question. You can also click here to edit the question, the answers. Suppose you find the answer to be incorrect, you can always change this to, let's say, physical fit. For example, I'm just writing it here. So here, and similarly now you have to translate using Google Translate to change the Hindi part of it, and you click outside. Now this is changed. So keep a track of this question. Once we generate it, we'll find that everywhere This changes occur. Then we come to the next one, that's national integration and awareness. Again, 8 question, 20 marks. And similarly, we can scroll down. We find that the required number of questions got generated. And in total, 96 questions, 240 marks. Once I finalize, the edit options will go away. So I finalize. All the edit options have gone away. So I have to save. So I saved. Now I generate set 2. I save set. I generate set 3. The questions are getting rotated so that question number 91 of set 3 will be different from question number 91 of set 2. So I save set 3 and save generate set 4 and save set 4. And there you go. All the sets have been saved. Now I will be taken to a separate page. Here I will explain what this page, how this page is to be used. So currently I have made the common paper. Now I have to generate the three service special subject papers. So I will first create the army paper. Same steps. First I brought here the difficulty, questions, and the number of chapters and the sections in which the chapters and everything here can be changed as per your requirement and the teachings that have been done, and then we go to create. So similar manner, the paper number 4 specialized subjects army is getting created, and the first is armed forces, and then we have 10 questions, 25 marks. This is also clickable and it changes on click. So thereafter, we can edit this if we want to. If we don't want, we can leave it. And like this, all the questions subject-wise have been generated as per the number of questions which we had seen in the table. And in total, we have 140 questions which are getting generated. 140 includes the common subject paper. The moment I finalize, all the edit options will go like the previous one. Save, generate set to, save. Remember, all these buttons are inactive. Only right now, generate set 3 button is active. If I click here, nothing will happen. I click here, now I can save the set 3. And now generate set 4, I can save the set. Okay, again, I go back to the same page. Now the option of generating army paper is gone. I can now generate the navy paper in the similar manner. I can click on create and finalize, save, generate, save, set 3, save, set 4, save. And the last one is FOS. So I generate, I finalize, save, generate, set 2, generate set 3, save, generate set 4, save. I have generated 3 specialized subjects and 1 common paper. Now, as you can see, nothing is accessible to me, but I get an email. I click on the email. It says your latest password to open this, the papers that you have saved is this one. This is the latest one, 0 minutes ago. So I copy that, I paste it here, and now I can access the saved question papers. So anybody who has your email ID can only see this, can only get the password and can only see this paper. So once I do that, all the saved papers are now visible. So if I want to see main set army, this is the main set army paper, which is like the complete paper is there with the general instructions. Then we have the common. We go down, go down, go down. We go down. Then we have the specialized subjects army, and in total, at the end of it, we'll see that we have 140 questions. So this is how, and then we have the main set answer key. So this is the answer key which is relevant to the first set. So you want to see the second set answer key. This is relevant to the second set. This is the second paper, and this is the second set answer key. So all this is there available to you only after the password has been given in the email. Nobody else can access this. So nobody else can download either. So once I have got this, what am I supposed to do now? We'll see in the next video.